my mother? What of my mother?
Graduate.
What of my mother? You not really from New York.
Assalamu alaikum, brother right here. You know, salami, eggs, and bacon. I slick 'em. We here graduating, you know, no fit. Let's count to three. Okay, come on, you in. Three. Go season your chicken.
Hold on, let me get a flick. Ready.
Oh,
Who coming? Hold on.
Oh,
Who else
my
comes
God.
with the Batman shirt to graduation?
Oh, he's tough. Hold on, what's the Oh my God. Okay, hold up. How you feel about graduating? No
I
dick?
said to Cyrus 1 week before sophomore year. He said, how you feel? I said, I'm ready to graduate. Here I am.
Oh, he clean. Oh my God.
He cheated on his final, by the way. He cheated on his final.
This is an opportunity, an important moment for us as a community, a time set aside to honor the artistic